In line with the vision of the Anambra state government to promote a green, livable and prosperous state, the mayor of Anaocha Council area, Comrade Rome Ibekwe, has flagged off construction of an erosion site at Neni axis of the Nemo-Neni-Nnewi Road. The erosion site, which is about 22 feet deep and a drainage length of about 900 meters, will take the contractor handling the project about a year and 6 months to complete. Correspondent Chinelo Onwuzlike has details of the report.
Flagging off the construction of the erosion control project, Comrade Ibekwe said the project will be executed under a public-private community partnership.
We want to continue the existing drainage down there. This is another site that we are having for proposed ultra-modern plaza to make sure that the existence of this place will be well harnessed.
I'm very happy that Anaocha local government has already keyed in to the programs of Mr. Governor in line with his vision and manifesto policies.
We just flagged up this erosion control, and that shows that solution is even in Anaocha, so we are happy.
Anaocha people, they're already in mass coming out, encouraging our dear chairman, our dear mayor, to make sure that we join hands together publicly and individually to build Anaocha.
The Speaker, Anaocha Legislative Council, Mr. Ephraim Ononenyi, expressed happiness with the bold step taken so far by Comrade Ibekwe administration. I am Chinelo Onwuzlike for ABS News.